Okay, so you're right. So for the M, that means slope. And to find slope, I'm just going to count from one point to the next, any 2 points. So I'm going to count rise first, how much it rises. So 1, 2, 3. It went up by 3, so I'm going to type 3. And then for the bottom number, that's going to be however much it runs over from that point we were at. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be a 4. I really hope you can see my mouse on the screen in this recording. I don't know yet. And for B, that is your y-intercept, and that's where the line passes through your y-axis. That's at +2, so I just put 2, and then click anywhere, and if it's correct, they will both turn green, and the puzzle will arrange itself. For this one, for letter B, so I'm going to go over to letter B. Here I am. I'm going to do M, which is your slope first. That's from one point to the next. Remember to be sure to do rise over run. Now also, this line is going down. This means negative. I'm going to go ahead and put a negative in my answer right here. And remember, I'm going to count rise first, how much it rises from any 2 points. So I'm going to just choose this one at 0, 1. I'm going to count how much it rises. That's 1. Oops, let me start over. Here we are, and 1, 2, so -2. And my bottom number is gonna be how much it runs over by from that spot. So 1, 2, 3, 3 over. All right, and then for my B, that's your y-intercept. That would be at +1, so I just put 1, click anywhere else, boom, they both turn green. I know I'm right. All right, and that's all there is to it. So